हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं हाउ टू बाय हैप्पीनेस विदाउट कैश जो बुक है जो अमेज़न किंडल पे अवेलेबल है उसका पार्ट 1 लेकर आई हूँ। इस बुक में 100 ऐसे रीज़न्स बताए गए हैं जिससे हम विदाउट कैश हैप्पीनेस को फील कर सकते हैं। तो हम शुरू करते हैं। What is happiness? Happiness is a feeling of joy and well-being that comes from achievements and accomplishments in one's life. It is a moment of doing something right. It is the glow of living life to the fullest. Reasons to become happy. Sleeping. Sleep is something we do when we are tired. But did you know that it's important in feeling happy? Your body begins to produce feel good chemicals like serotonin and dopamine while you are asleep. The next time you want to feel good, put yourself to sleep. Eating. Who does not love eating? I mean, not the usually dal chawal roti, but the pizzas and burgers, the momos and sandwiches, the french fries, the chicken rolls make my eyes get big and my smile gets wide. Cooking. It's obvious when you want to eat, you have to cook sometimes too because nothing tastes better than homemade. Cooking is the art, science, and discipline of preparing and presenting food. Also, when the food comes out tasty, nothing can make us happy than the compliments we receive for the tasty food we cook. Singing. Any song in your head right now, let's admit it, we all are secret bathroom singers, right? And at least once in our lives, we felt like, wow, I am not that bad at singing, and the recording after that ruined the dream. Haha, remember the school picnics when we used to sing throughout the journey, and the best part of the picnic was the singing part only. Some people think that singing can help you in being happy. Sometimes when you sing, you might forget about the problems that you had. As a result, you would feel good. If you sing alone or with friends, you would feel great about it too. When things get cheerful, why don't you sing too? This book will let you know and show more about the importance of singing and how it could positively affect your personality. Dancing. Well, I'm sure all you know how dancing help in being happy. But there must not be too many people who actually do know about it. So, thought to share my thoughts on this topic. You know, when we are alone and some dance songs are playing and we forget about everything else and start moving our body with music. That moment when we don't even know what we are doing, but the relief nobody is watching on the top of the world and we don't stop and keep moving until we feel like stop, this is not what I am supposed to do. Was supposed to worry about my why I'm sad and anxious about, then you feel like no, I should do more. The most important thing is that dancing also reduces stress and tension for the mind and body. Exercise in yoga. Do you sometimes feel like your heart isn't working properly, and does it feel like there's something heavy there? No, it's not because of any heartbreak. It's only because of the lack of exercise. Exercise can boost your mood within no time. You feel energetic and powerful. Exercise strengthens your heart and improves your circulation. So next time when feeling low, exercise a bit and memorize what I said. It's not heartbreak, your leg exercise. Exercise can do much for your self worth and happiness. I changed my views on my body because of all the exercise I was doing. In other words, my body was no longer disgusting. I went from having no self confidence to loving myself. Exercise can make you a happier person by having more positive thoughts about yourself. Compliment. When you see someone walking around, go to them and say, "Hey, you are the most prettiest person I have ever seen. God bless you." And look at their eyes and how big and bright they will look. And boom, you made someone's day. You are already a star. And guess what? It's free of cost. Smile. A smile is a universal sign of happiness. Why are you smiling? Hey, don't stop. Just smile. You look beautiful. Smile every time, everywhere you go, because it's easier to smile than to frown. Self care. Self care has 8 main areas: physical, psychological, emotional, social, professional, environmental, spiritual, and financial. When all these things are stable, there will be no reason to be sad, not a single one. Self care maintains self confidence and self esteem. It will make us more aware of our personal needs. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Kindle eBooks and do like and share the videos.